Hi everyone, we are from Group 10 and the name of our team is Team Rocket. I'm Nirmala and we have Amol, Bhavana, Shashi and Aishwarya in our team. And the problem statement that we selected was 10th and 12th grade students are unclear about their career paths and they need help in understanding our direction map. So the reason why we picked this problem was because we wanted to help and support the younger generation and help them in having a clear vision and also help them with the plethora of options that are actually around. So we actually tried to break down the problem statement. We did a lot of brainstorming for this, and we basically scoped down our problem. And the scope that we worked on was, to help students to actually uncover their strengths and skills and how could they align that with their career, and also make students aware of the options that are available. So we actually put on a tracker and we went ahead and divided our work, and we basically worked as a team. And we went ahead and did our desk research. And based on our desk research, we were actually we were able to validate our problem statement. That is, we came to know that 93% of students were actually only aware of 7 career options that are available, and also that 85% of students are not equipped to take proper career decisions. So we actually validated our problem statement, and then we did some competitive analysis. And we went ahead with the direction that we have to build an app that is something different from what is existing. We should It should be an add-on kind of a thing. So then we went ahead to do our user interviews. We actually prepared a survey and we tried to roll that out. And we conducted interviews, that is face to face interviews. And while we were actually waiting for that, we came up with a hypothetical user flow. So we actually thought that, a career, if a student is thinking about a career path, the three main things that they would consider would be their based on their interests, or based on the skills, or based on the market demand. So we went ahead and brainstorming like how we could actually determine how the interest can be aligned to a particular career, and we came up with flows for that. So our primary research, that is the interview, actually validated our flow that we did. So that was the reason why we actually went ahead with our interviews. And based on our interviews, we actually prepared two personas. That is, one was a frustrated student and the other is a calm student. So we named the frustrated student as Miyot. So because we are Team Rocket, we named the frustrated guy as Miyot. And Miyot is a person, whose parents impose their ideas on him, and he's really frustrated. His parents don't listen to his ideas at all. So he's come to a conclusion that, it's okay, jo hoga so hoga. And he just wants to know what is the market trends and which, job earns him more money. And he just wants to get into such a job. And when we asked him that if he knows there are career guidance apps, if he's aware of something like that, he said, "Aisa kuch app hai kya?" And, we named the calm student Ash. So he is a person who is more confident and he looked very positive. He wanted to know what are the career options that are available, how he could, use his interests and skills in his job. And he was a guy with a lot of clarity. So this actually, helped us with the hypothetical diagram that we made. We were able to validate it, and then we actually went ahead with wireframing. So, when we did the wireframing, we thought, why go and integrate with somebody when we have, our own Growthschool platform. So, introducing you to our career guidance app, that is Growthschool. It is Our main focal point is assess, analyze, and create awareness. So this is a overall view of our flow. Let me take you through the wireframe. So we have created a section. So we basically, help the students. We make assessments based on their strengths and skills. We analyze that data and we tell them, what career options are available. So we have sections where they can find a career match based on their interests, based on their skills. They can discover what are the new kind of opportunities in the career opportunities that are available in the market, and they can talk to an expert. And so this is the flow. So say once they want to know what is the career option that matches their interest or their strengths. So once they click on that, they go to the next page, which says, because this is, we are designing for a student, we didn't want to make it, like an exam kind of a thing. So we thought, let us design something that will be like a game. So we're asking them, are you up for a game? And a student can add their interest, and based on that, the game will be loaded and an assessment will be done. Because the flow will get really complicated if we include that game. So we've not added that, and we're showing the end screen, which says, okay, you are here, well done, you've played the game well, and now we are analyzing the data for you. And after this, they get a trophy that they've completed their game, and this shows, what kind of job skills actually match their interest. And after that, it will show a roadmap of how to go about that job skill. So this is what we did for uncovering the strengths. And the next one was, for we designed this flow for basically the New York personality who just wanted to know, which job pays him more. So he goes, he searches by pay scale. He'll get the list of job options that are available, and he can, view the profession that pays him more. So after this, we did a UI design. We designed 2 screens, and yeah, we could do this, and it was great. This opportunity was great. It was great working with a team. We learned time management, and we learned to do an end-to-end solution kind of a thing. So that's it. Thank you for this opportunity.